Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have TP-LINK Tapo C120 security camera and I'm going to show you how can you easily call to your camera. At first we have to tap on our camera on our list and we have to hit on this phone icon. Here as you can see we have voice call, tap to call. And now as you can see we are talking for our camera and I'm hearing everything from this mic over here. We can disable mic in our security camera and disable speaker, but we can hear what does our camera say, and as you can see we can hear ourselves over here. To end our voice call we have to tap on this button over here. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.